Welcome to Asympcode. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. To reverse the bits of a 32-bit integer and return the result as a string, we can use a straightforward approach that involves bit manipulation. Define our function. Reverse the bits of a 32-bit unsigned integer. Args, n, int, the 32-bit unsigned integer to reverse. Returns, stir, a string representation of the reversed bits. Initialize the result to 0. Iterate over each bit position. Extract the ith bit from n. Shift n right by I and get the least significant bit. Shift the result left to make space for the new bit. Convert the resulting integer to its binary representation as a string. The bin function returns a string starting with 0b, so we slice off the first two characters. We also pad the string with leading zeros to ensure it's 32 bits long. Example usage. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asympcode and keep supporting us, and thank you for watching.